Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to start our JEE and NEET point, that is hydrolysis constant, symbol that is equal to KH. We have to find hydrolysis constant, that is KH. Okay, now first of all there are only four types of salt. Okay, salt of strong acid and strong base. Okay, now salt of strong acid and weak base. Okay, now third type, weak acid and strong base. Weak acid and strong base. Then number 4, weak acid and weak base. Okay, there are four types of salt. Okay, we have to find salt of hydrolysis, but in case of strong acid and strong base there is no hydrolysis takes place. No hydrolysis takes place because solution will be neutral. Okay, now we have to find hydrolysis constant for these remaining three types of salt, because no hydrolysis takes place in case of salt of strong acid and strong base. Example, that is NaCl dissolved in water, so pH of the solution will be neutral. Okay, now let us go to the another type. So I am taking a random type of salt, that is salt of weak acid plus strong base. Okay, salt of weak acid plus strong base. What is the weak acid? Example for weak acid. So example for weak acid, that is CH3COOH, acetic acid. Okay, plus example for strong base. So I think here NaOH, it is the strong base. Okay, now what is the product? What is the name of salt? So it will be, I am writing here, not below. So sodium acetate, CH3COONA plus H2O. Okay, this is our product, that is salt. Okay, we have to find hydrolysis constant, that is KH, symbolically represent K. K means constant, H means hydrolysis. Okay, so we have to find KH for this salt. KH for this salt. Okay, now we have to perform the hydrolysis of this salt. As I explained you earlier, all the types of hydrolysis मी तुम्हाला करून दाखवले होते. So first of all we have to write CH3COONA. hydrolysis करता है म्हणजे काय, cation and anion. I am writing directly cation and anion. What is our salt? CH3COONA. CH3COONA. आपण पहिल्यांदा H बघायचा KH. Okay, so what is the concept of hydrolysis? Cation or anion or both the ions react with water to form acidic, basic or neutral solution depending upon type of salt. Acidic, basic or neutral solution depending upon type of salt. So what is our product? CH3COOH. CH3COOH plus NaOH. NaOH. This is our product. But point to be noted that the Na plus ions do not having tendency to combine with OH minus ion, because possible product is NaOH. NaOH तुम्हाला सांगितले की स्ट्रॉंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कशातूनच तयार होऊ शकत नाही, तो आयोनिक फॉर्म मध्ये राहणार आहे. सो आवर नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन विल बी CH3COO minus plus Na plus water, which gives acetic acid तयार होणार, because it is a weak acid. Weak acid तयार होणार, strong तयार होणार नाही at any condition. It will be formed in ionic form मध्ये तयार होणार, Na plus OH minus. So what is the cancellation? We have to cancel I think here Na plus cancel out with Na. So what is our general reaction for that type? CH3COO minus plus H2O, which gives CH3COOH plus OH minus, and product बाजूला OH minus आहे means solution. pH of the solution will be basic. हे आपण ऑलरेडी बघितलं, इथपर्यंत आपण बघितलं तरी पण डबल सांगितलं. Okay, then we have to find by applying law of mass action. By applying law of mass action. Okay, by applying law of mass action we get K is equal to law of mass action म्हणजे C raised to C into D raised to D divided by A raised to A and B raised to B. आपल्याला माहिती आहे प्रोडक्ट त्यांचे कोएफिशिएंट डिवाइडेड बाय रिएक्टंट त्यांचे कोएफिशिएंट. प्रोडक्ट कोण कोण आहे बघा, इन ब्रॅकेट CH3COOH in bracket OH minus, this is our product, divided by reactant, this is our reactant. So CH3COO minus in bracket H2O. Okay, हे लिहिलं. आता इथपर्यंत आपल्या लक्षात आले का बघा. I am telling you once again, this is आपण बघतो hydrolysis constant KH for salt of weak acid and strong base. Weak acid acidic acid plus strong base NaOH. The salt is sodium acetate. याचा KH आपल्याला बघायचा आहे. So इथं डिसोसिएशन केलं बघा, कॅटायन anion react with water to form acidic basic neutral solution. हे रिएक्शन लिहिल्या, acidic acid it is a weak acid हे तयार होऊ शकतं. NaOH strong base तयार होणार नाही, ionic फॉर्म मध्ये राहणार. Na plus गेलं, काय काय राहतं ते लिहिलं. CH3CO minus H2O acidic acid आणि OH minus and product line म्हणजे solution will be basic. Now what is the value of K? K is equal to by applying law of mass action, what is the value of K? Product त्यांचे coefficient divided by reactant त्यांचे coefficients. So this is the how to write K. Okay, first of all I am deleting that. Now we get, want to be remember that concentration of water we studied earlier, the ionic product of water, the concentration of water remains constant because water it dissociate it in less extent. Water will be dissociated in less extent or less quantity. So concentration of water is termed as constant. So we have to write K is equal to CH3COOH in bracket OH minus divided by CH3COO minus into K dash, because concentration of water remains constant, because water it dissociated in less quantity, less extent, because okay, so we studied it in ionic product of water point. so K dash into K. So K into K dash is equal to, first of all I am rub करतो है, then CH3COOH in bracket OH minus divided by CH3COO minus. Okay, then K into K dash we have to call it KH. We have to call KH. KH is equal to CH3COOH in bracket OH minus divided by CH3COO minus. Okay, so this is the equation for KH. This is the equation for KH. Okay, now we have to find the formula for KH. Okay, हे KH इक्वेशन झालेलं आहे आपलं. ठीक आहे, याच्यानंतर we have to हे डिलीट करतो, हे KH इक्वेशन आहे तसं करतो. देन डिसोसिएशन कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ ऍसिड. आता करायचंय काय बघा, आपलं टार्गेट काय. सो दिस इज द सॉल्ट विच कन्सिस्ट वीक ऍसिड CH3COOH. Salt consists strong base. Strong base ला हात लावायचा नाही. बिकॉज ते आयनिक फॉर्म मध्येच राहणार, डिसोसिएशन 100% राहणार. आपण बघतोय वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइटच्या बाबतीमध्ये. मग राहिलं कोण? हा वीक ऍसिड, वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट आहे. बरोबर. आता मी केएच तर काढलाय. आता मला एक डेरिव्हेशन बनवायचं. डेरिव्हेशन बनवायचंय म्हटल्यावरती ह्या दोघांमधला मी कुठला भाग घेऊया, कुठला भाग डेरिव्हेशनसाठी घेऊ, तर मी हा भाग घेणार. बिकॉज वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइटशी मतलब आहे, स्ट्रॉंगशी आपल्याला मतलब नाही. 100% डिसोसिएशन होतं आणि हायड्रोलायसिस स्ट्रॉंगचं होतच नाही, तर मग मतलबच नाही हायड्रोलायसिस कॉन्स्टंट काढण्याचा. मग वीकच घेणार ना मी. सो वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट आय एम रायटिंग हियर CH3COOH. It dissociated reversibly as CH3COO minus plus H plus. CH3COO minus plus H plus. Okay. Now we have to find dissociation constant for weak acid. Ka is equal to dissociation constant for weak acid, that is product upon by applying law of mass action. Product upon reactant. Product upon reactant. What is our reactant? CH3COOH. CH3COOH. This is our reactant. Product upon reactant. Okay. हा वीक पोर्शन मी डिसोसिएशन केलं, स्ट्रॉंगशी मतलब घेतलेला नाही, फक्त याचं बघितलं. हे केएच इक्वेशन काढून झाल्यानंतर बरं का, हे केएच इक्वेशन मी का घेतलं तर आपल्याला वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट साठीच फक्त बघायचंय, स्ट्रॉंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइटचं डिसोसिएशन होत नाही. सो वी हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय Ka into KH. We have to multiply Ka into KH. Okay, we get, first of all मी here up करतो because board is little bit small in here. So now we have to multiply K into KH. Ka into KH, and let's see what is the equation we can get. Okay, so this is the value of K and this is the value of KH. We studied it or we performed it earlier or we described it earlier. Okay, so this is the value of K and this is the value of KH. Okay, so K into KH. So I am double K into KH. Okay, what is the value of KH? I am writing here. This is the value of KH. CH3COOH in bracket OH minus divided by CH3COO minus. ओके, मी K इंटू KH केलं बघा आणि आपल्याला उत्तर काय मिळते मला बघायचंय. K इंटू KH, K मिळतं, KH हा होता. K into KH, what will be cancel out? I think acetic acid to acetic acid will be cancel out. Acetate ion to acetate ion will be cancel out. So what will we get? K into KH. And इथे लिहायला पाहिजे ना आपण. K into KH is equal to K into KH is equal to in bracket H plus into in bracket OH minus in bracket OH minus. Okay. Now, point to be noted that in bracket H plus and in bracket OH minus means in bracket H plus in bracket OH minus means it is the ionic product of water. Remind that in bracket H plus in bracket OH minus is equal to Kw. We discovered this equation as earlier. Earlier upon is all केले. So in bracket H plus this is the ionic product of water. So I want to write Kw. So this is I want to get the final equation. K into KH is equal to Kw. K into KH is equal to Kw. Or if I want K, K पाहिजे असेल तर Kw तिकडे घालवायचं. K पाहिजे असेल तर KH तिकडे घालवायचं. किंवा KH पाहिजे असेल तर K पलीकडे शिफ्ट करायचं. But this is our final equation. K into KH is equal to Kw. K into KH is equal to Kw. Okay, this is our first equation or hydrolysis constant, or we have to find KH. No, we have to find the KH. So what is the value of KH? आपल्याला KH काढायचं ना. So KH is equal to Kw upon Ka. Kw upon Ka. This is our equation number first regarding salt of a weak acid. Weak acid plus strong base यांचा salt. That is example we take CH3COONA. Example we take sodium acetate. This is the two important equation. Please note down. Please note down because it is really very important for JEE and NEET qualifying exam. Okay. Please take a screenshot of this or note down. Okay. Now we have to perform the another equation for hydrolysis of. I am just giving another example or another equation. म्हणजे तुम्हाला बाकीचे इक्वेशन मी देतो कसे आले ते फक्त एक्झाम्पल साठी सांगितलं. आपल्याला फॉर्म्युलेशी मतलब आहे ते एक घेतलं मी. म्हणजे तुम्हाला कसं येतात तो प्रश्न लक्षात आला. वीक ऍसिड आणि स्ट्रॉंग बेसचं घेतलं. आता स्ट्रॉंग ऍसिड प्लस वीक बेस. स्ट्रॉंग ऍसिड प्लस वीक बेस. ओके. आता मग तुमच्या लक्षात यायला पाहिजे काय बरं लिहितोच. स्ट्रॉंग ऍसिड आणि वीक बेस. व्हॉट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ स्ट्रॉंग ऍसिड? दॅट इज HCl. व्हॉट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ वीक बेस? NH4OH. NH4OH. So we have to perform NH4Cl and our product is NH4Cl. तुमच्या लक्षात आले आता काय करायचं ते. This is our salt NH4Cl. NH4Cl चा K चा फॉर्म्युला काढायचा आहे. आता आपण कोणाचा काढला होता? सोडियम ऍसिटेटचा K चा काढला होता. NH4Cl चा काढायचा आहे. सो हायड्रोलिसिस करा. NH4 plus Cl minus plus H2O, it dissociated as NH4OH. It is a weak electrolyte, hence it is formed plus HCl because it is not formed because H plus ion do not having tendency to combine with chloride ion because possible product is strong electrolyte. And as I said you earlier, the strong electrolyte cannot be formed when any salt is added in water. It can't be formed. कुठलाही salt पाण्यात टाकला की strong electrolyte बनणारच नाही. Okay. Now what will be cancel out? So Cl minus cancel out with Cl minus and our equation that is equal to NH4 plus H2O which gives NH4OH plus H plus. NH4OH plus H plus. And pH of the solution will be acidic because in product side there must be concentration of H plus ion in large excess. So pH of the solution will be acidic. Now we have to take the dissociation constant for this. Dissociation constant for this by applying law of mass action. By applying law of mass action. So product. What is the product? In bracket NH4OH. What is the another in bracket H plus divided by reactant in bracket NH4 plus in bracket water. Okay. Now as I said you earlier, the concentration of water remains constant. Concentration of water remains constant because पाण्याचं डिसोसिएशन लेस क्वांटिटी मध्ये होतं. म्हणजे पाणी H प्लस आयन आणि OH मायनस आयन कमी प्रमाणात देतो. त्यामुळे त्याचं एकच धरतो आपण जनरली. ठीक आहे. मी आता हे रब करतो. रब केल्यानंतर आपण लिहू. सो our next step is K is equal to in bracket NH4OH in bracket H plus divided by NH4 plus into K dash. NH4 plus into K dash because concentration of water remains constant. So instead of writing K, I am writing here K dash because already I am writing here K. Okay. Now our next step is K dash. इकडे गेलं तर K into K dash is equal to in bracket NH4OH in bracket H plus divided by in bracket NH4 plus पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज इकडे द्यायचा स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेटच्या वरती फक्त कोएफिशियंट. ओके सो k into k dash ला मी काय बोललो k जसं आपण आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वॉटरला k into k dash is equal to kw. So here k into k dash is equal to kh. kh is equal to NH4OH in bracket H plus divided by NH4 plus divided by NH4 plus. Now this is our equation for KH. Now let us consider the formula regarding KH for salt NH4Cl. So our salt is NH4Cl. NH4Cl कसा लिहिलाय? It comes from weak base NH4OH. It is a weak base. And Cl comes from strong acid, that is HCl. So कुठला घ्यायचं आता? NH4OH घ्यायचं का HCl घ्यायचं? HCl नाही ना घेऊ चालणार, बरोबर का? तर HCl it is a strong electrolyte and in case of strong electrolyte no hydrolysis takes place. Hydrolysis होणार नाही. कॉन्स्टंट कसा काढायचा? Hydrolysis होणार नसेल तर कसला कॉन्स्टंट, बरोबर? So we have to use only weak base, that is NH4OH. We have to use only weak base NH4OH. So NH4OH will be dissociated it as NH4OH. It is reversibly dissociated it as NH4 plus OH minus. As simple as that. NH4 plus OH minus. So what is the dissociation constant for weak base? Dissociation constant means K, B for base. So by applying law of mass action, product upon reactant NH4 plus in bracket OH minus divided by NH4OH divided by NH4OH. Now we get what? KB into KH. KB into KH. What will I am getting here? So I am erasing that. So I want to multiply KB into KH. KB into KH. So equation we get. So KH equation इथं आहे, तात्पुरतं ठेवा. मी आता इथे थोडंसं एक्सचेंज करतोय. So KB into KH. Okay, we get this is the value of KB, this is the value of KH. So I am writing here in bracket NH4OH, in bracket NH4OH, in bracket H plus divided by NH4 plus divided by NH4 plus. So cancel out क्या होते बघा, NH4 plus cancel out with NH4 plus. हे मी कॅन्सल करत होता, गरज नाही, मला फक्त ते पाहिजे होतं तेवढ्यासाठी. NH4OH ला NH4OH कॅन्सल आउट. सो काय राहिलं बघा, KB into KH is equal to in bracket OH minus into H plus. And as I said you earlier, the in bracket H plus and in bracket OH minus is equal to ionic product of water. Okay, so our next equation is KB into KH is equal to KW. KB into KH is equal to KW because this is ionic product of water. Okay, now what is the value of KH? What is the value of KH? So KH is equal to KW divided by KB. KH is equal to KW divided by KB. KW divided by KB. This is the two equation really very important for us. Okay, so we have performed in this lecture the hydrolysis constant for CH3COO and a sodium acetate, that is it is a salt of weak acid and strong base. weak acid and strong base, and we have to perform the hydrolysis of NaH4Cl. It is a salt of weak base plus strong acid. Okay, now this is the overall formula will be KH is equal to KW divided by KA, and here KA into KH is equal to KW. KW. In this video lecture, we studied these two JEE and NEET based point, and we get four formulas regarding hydrolysis constant for weak acid strong base and weak base strong acid. These two example we discussed in this video lecture. Okay, hopefully you understood this little bit difficult, but it is easy point. इझीच आहे थोडासा. JEE नीट असलं आपल्याला करायचंच आहे JEE नीट, असं काय अवघड नाहीये. समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. मी माझ्या परीने सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. Okay, hopefully you understood this. In next video lecture we will see next type of hydrolysis. Thank you.